Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial how to remove and replace the battery for iPhone 5s. So tools needed: small flat Phillips head, spudger, one of those, small star head. I've removed the plate already from the iPhone. Anyway, I'll show you where that goes. Also, you need this suction holder. So what you need to do first, you need to remove these two screws here, one there, one there. Once you remove them, put them in a safe place. I'll put them over here, and then what you need to do you need to push this down and just slowly lift it up. You lift it up slowly, and then get this spudger, or they call this prey as well. And then once you lift it up a bit, this has already been opened, so it's more easier if you're going to open it up from new. So you just, from the edges, you just slowly lift it up. But make sure you be careful of the middle, because that's where the Touch ID cable is. It's in there's a clip holder there, so just be careful, you know, you don't put this too deep in there, because you could damage the cable ribbon. So once you got a grip of it like this, you lift it open, you pull this and then you lift it open. It will look like this. So I put a new battery in there already. This is the old one. And this was this battery was gone, completely flat. So anyway, that's the old one. So what you need to do now, this plate would have been here. It would have been here. Can you see the two screws? I removed them and I put them there. Be careful, because they're very fiddly. And also bear in mind, when you put this plate back, just make sure it goes like this way up. So anyway, what you need to do is remove this once you unscrew it, and then you get a screwdriver, Phillips head, the small one. Or yeah, you can use this just to unplug that, or I'll show you, you see it's come off, or you can use this, which is more easier. You can use this. To be honest, yeah, use this. You clip it from there, comes off, and then this is the tricky bit. You got to use this, something like this, and you have to dig it in like that. Dig it in, dig it in, dig it in, dig it in like that. You see? Keep doing it. It's going to take a good 5 minutes if it's from new. Take it in, you know, dig it in deeper, deeper, put it in more deeper, and then gradually it will come off. So this is the new one. So this is the sticky tape that the manufacturer put in there. It's very strong, by the way, it really holds it in. So anyway, let me put this all back. So yeah, once you've taken out the old battery, you put the new one in like this again. Push down, make sure you push it down firmly. See? You might need to reapply some more sticky tape if you've damaged it whilst taking it out. But anyway, that's not a big deal. So now you plug this back into the slot. You can hear that? It clicked, make sure it clicks. And then, as mentioned, this plate, make sure it's this way up. And now I'm going to screw this in. Yeah, so guys, I've screwed it in. As you can see, it must look like this. So now that's the ribbon for the Touch ID, by the way. This ribbon here. So now what you need to do from here, you gotta push it in like this. See that? And then clip, put this, I'll show you actually, put this, let me get this, so you put this in there, you clip it in there, clip that in there. Yeah, use this as well and just clip it in. It's best to use something like this and then you just clip it in there. Yeah, once you got it in, you're gonna hear a click noise. And and then what you need to do is you make sure this is at the edge here. Make sure it's all in at the edge, and then slowly, you see, you push it in from the corners. Just push down securely at the edges. Not too hard though. And then you put the two small screws in here. As you can see, I've plugged the iPhone cable in. The battery's charging. It's always good to leave the battery to charge so it does a full cycle and then it's ready to be used. I hope this video helps.